In today's video, I will briefly walk you through the free ebook as well as the educational strategy for the demo account and the trading journal template I've made available on the blog. Before we dive in, make sure to check out optionwise.eu for more content like this. You can sign up for the newsletter and grab your free ebook Options 1-on-1, your first step toward smart trading, perfect for beginners. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with others. It really helps to spread the word and grow the channel. By signing up for the newsletter at optionwise.eu, you will receive a free ebook that introduces you to options trading, explains the basic concepts and includes a simple strategy to test on demo account along with a simple trading journal template. I will highly encourage you to sign up, download the ebook and start your own journey into options. The ebook, the strategy and opening a demo account are all completely free, but they could be the starting point for building a profitable trading process. You will find the direct link to sign up form in the description below this video. Inside the ebook, I will cover the essential theory. There is a clear and simple explanation of put and call options from the perspective of both the buyer and the seller. I also introduce the option Greeks and the concept of volatility in basic terms. Of course, this is not meant to be an exhaustive guide, but it gives you a solid foundation that is enough to start practicing confidently on a demo account. For some topics, you will also find links to specific videos on my YouTube channel, so you can dive deeper and expand your knowledge further. Toward the end of the ebook, I cover several option strategies such as a vertical spread explaining their core parameters and how and when to use them. The ebook ends with a sample educational strategy designed specifically for demo account use. The goal of this strategy is to help you become familiar with decision-making process, build habits around regular account management, practice opening and closing positions, and learn to track your trades in a trading journal. Let me emphasize, this strategy is intended exclusively for demo account. It should not be used on live account. So why do I place such a strong emphasis on starting with a demo? To explain that, I will share a mental model borrowed from the world of sports. It's so-called concept of the winner versus the loser's game. In the winner's game, you win by making exceptional high-impact plays. In the loser game, you win by simply avoiding basic mistakes and letting others beat themselves. When it comes to options trading, especially in the beginning, it is far more important to approach it as loser's game. Not by chasing spectacular gains, but gradually eliminating the mistakes that lead to losses. And a demo account is the perfect environment for that phase of learning because it allows you to experiment and make mistakes without any financial consequences. New traders often approach the market with the mistaken belief that their success will come from discovering some magic strategy or by relying on gut instincts to predict market moves. But the reality is quite different. In the early stages, success doesn't come from doing spectacular things. It comes from avoiding basic mistakes like misunderstanding position risk, opening oversized trades or ignoring potential losses, poorly constructed spreads, choosing the wrong strikes or misallocating capital in multi-leg strategies, not keeping a trade journal, simple operation errors, buying instead of selling, setting the wrong limit order or forgetting to manage a position after opening it. The beauty of the demo account is that you can make these mistakes, analyze them and learn from them before they cost you real money. It's like a beginner tennis player learning to hold the racket properly, hit the ball consistently and move around the court before ever trying to win a match against a serious opponent. Only after you mastered the fundamentals and build strong habits should you start moving into the winner's game, looking for actual market edges and executing more advanced strategies. But that second phase can only begin after you have eliminated the basic mistakes. And that's exactly why your first step should be a disciplined trading phase on a demo account. In the demo strategy included in the book, I suggest opening trades based on signals from the RSI indicator. Now, this is not a method I would personally recommend for live trading, but for demo purposes, it works just fine. Let's walk through a simple decision-making process. On the platform, I have set up a custom watch list. If you would like to learn how to build one, you can check out one of my earlier videos. I've also added the RSI indicator to the side chart. Now I go through the list ticker by ticker, looking for situations that meet my entry conditions. If RSI is in the overbought zone, we can consider opening a bearish position. If it's in the oversold zone, we look for bullish setups. Here on the XLI ETF, we see a potential setup for a bullish trade. The IV rank is high, indicating elevated volatility, so we will use a credit put spread. Now I switch to the option chain. We see options expiring in 9 days. To get a probability of success above 60%, I will aim to sell a spread at delta below 0.4. I will select the 222.5 strike and pair it with 210 strike. Looking at the risk profile, we can see that the maximum risk on this trade is over $1,100. If we are working with a 15,000 demo account, that's over 7% of total capital. That's too much. So I narrow the spread, choosing a 215 strike, the risk drops just over 600, or about 4% of the account. Not ideal, but acceptable for demo testing. Now I double check my limit order, the number of spreads, and the price. Then I click Submit. Once the order is filled, I head over to my trading journal and fill in each field using the data from the platform. Keeping a journal like this will make it much easier to analyze mistakes and make meaningful improvements in your strategy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, click subscribe and share it with someone who might find it useful. Don't forget to visit optionwise.eu, sign up for the newsletter and grab your free ebook. See you in the next videos.